So we've changed our oil and filter, but we need to reset the oil life message over here. You can see there 5% oil life, but we've just changed it, so we can go ahead and reset that. Really simple to do. All we're gonna do here is we're gonna press the trip reset button, but we're gonna hold it down. So we're gonna hold it down for about 10 seconds until we start to see this screen flash. And again, the engine is not on, but the car is on. Just gonna hold that down, and there we go. Now we're gonna let go of that button and then press and hold again. And eventually it will reset. There we go. And that is now changed. And if you see here, oil life is at 100%. So job done, nice and simple. And again, if we turn the car on now, the service light is off, the oil life is at 100%, there is no error message, and we are good to go. So there it is.